Hey guys, welcome back to another tech control video. In today's video, we're actually going to unbox this bad boy and I will give you some of my impressions. So we just picked up the MX Master 3 for Mac. Some of you will notice that there is a version that is just for Windows, but don't let that deter you. It will also work on a Mac. The only real difference is the colors. The Windows version comes with a USB dongle in case you don't want to use Bluetooth. And also the charging cable is slightly different. Some of the colors are different as well. I'll touch up on that in a sec. Also, first, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. We have here our trusty Batman knife. All right, safety first. Make sure to tuck that blade away whenever it's not in use. Alrighty. So, wow. So as far as presentation goes, I'm a big fan of things like this. A box within a box, sure, whatever. But let's say we put this away and we take a look at the box that the mouse is actually in. You know, you have the logo, the MX, and stuff like this really draws the attention. It lets you know that Logitech puts a lot of thought and quality into their products. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's see. There we go. This slides out, this opens, and there we have it. There we have the MX Series 3 mouse. Let's see what's under here, under this tab. Is there anything? No, there is nothing here. All right, let's just go ahead and take this thing out. Wow. I can already tell you right off the bat, I noticed that there's a lot of grip over here, specifically obviously where your fingers and the palm of your hand goes. Not so much here where you're clicking the left and right clicks, which is great because it makes things a lot easier to click. So some of the cosmetic changes that I was talking about compared to the original version, or I should say it is the original version, it's just not the Mac version. This is the Mac version, however. The original comes in all black, and there's also a gray variant. The Mac version comes in all black with silver trimmings, and this silver is actually space gray. This is not space gray, but yeah, it's not space gray, so it wouldn't be the same color. I don't have anything to compare it exactly, but again, this is the Mac version, so this space gray should match any space gray items that you may have. So just for your reference, I've been using the Apple Magic Mouse 2. And you know, the reason that I decided to switch, this is a fine mouse, it's fine, but honestly it has a very thin profile, so I like the size and the heft that this one has compared to the thin profile of the Magic Mouse 2. Now, some of the things I do like about this mouse, I really like about this mouse, are the gestures that you have just here. But when you're comparing it to this mouse, I really like this one too because you don't lose those gestures per se. You actually have the scrolly wheel here, and right now it's in free flow. You can see that scrolls of like 4,000 pages or something. I don't remember if it's 1,000 or 4,000, whatever. Either way, you can get through a lot. Also, you press this button here, and now you should be able to feel the tension. It's not as free as it was before. So I'm pretty excited to use this mouse. I'm gonna give it a shot for a couple of weeks. This may actually end up being my go-to mouse as opposed to the Apple Magic Mouse 2. So I'll keep you guys updated. I may end up doing like a review after a couple of weeks, but otherwise I'm actually very happy with this mouse, especially with the side scroll bar here. I do a lot of editing obviously, and this is gonna help my productivity a lot. Alright guys, so if you didn't know the differences between the Mac and the regular MX Series 3 that came out The Mac version just recently came out. So if you didn't know the differences, I hope I was able to clear some of that up. I now have a mess on my desk, so while I clean this up, make sure to hit that subscribe button, share this video with a buddy or two, and stay tuned for more. You can always hit me up on Twitter, Instagram, DM me. Let's talk games, let's talk tech. Take care.